The WebView2 runtime error in Outlook generally occurs when there's an issue with the Microsoft Edge WebView2 component that Outlook uses for rendering web-based content like emails with embedded HTML elements. If you're experiencing this issue, here are some steps to resolve the problem. Step 1. Update WebView2. Microsoft WebView 2 needs to be installed and updated to the latest version for compatibility. You can do this by download and install the WebView2 runtime. Go to the Microsoft WebView2 download page. Download and install the WebView2 runtime installer if it's not already installed. Check for updates. After installation, check if Outlook is functioning properly. If it doesn't fix the issue, try manually updating WebView2 via Microsoft Edge's settings or download the latest version directly. Step 5. Check for system updates. Sometimes, your operating system may need to be updated to work with newer WebView2 or Office components. Go to Settings greater than Windows Update. Check for and install any pending updates. Restart your computer after updates are installed. Step 6. Reinstall Outlook. If all else fails, you may need to reinstall Outlook. Go to Settings, Apps, Apps and Features. Find Outlook or Microsoft Office and select Uninstall. Reinstall Outlook from the Microsoft Store or via the Office website. After trying these steps, Outlook should be functioning normally again with WebView2. Let me know if you run into any trouble.